What's up, online shoppers? Have you ever noticed that most camp chairs are the most uncomfortable chairs, which is the exact opposite of what you should hope to have at camp? You want to relax, unwind, and be ultimate comfort? Well, I have a solution. This is the GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker, and it is so comfortable. Now let's talk about the obvious features first. Look at this. Built-in carry strap so that you don't have to worry about how you're going to move it. And instead of a bag, which, let's be honest, gets lost every time, they have this really convenient bundle strap that just allows you to put it all together nice and easy. Now, as far as how it unfolds, look at that. It is absolutely unfolded right there before your eyes in about 3 seconds. Nothing complicated, no latches or notches or anything else, just really nice and convenient. This is the chair right here, and it has some really cool features. First of all, it's got this really neat shock system right here. That ensures that you have a smooth rocking action no matter what the surface. Now, I love using this at camp, which is kind of like a rocky ground, but it works really well on grass. It works really well on concrete. Pretty much any situation where you're going to be sitting and rocking, you can sit in your chair like this GCI Kickback Rocker, and be super comfortable. Now, another pet peeve that I have with these collapsible chairs is that hard line right here that always makes sitting in the chair super uncomfortable. But this one here absolutely does not have that. It is a little lower to the ground, which is great for people who aren't quite as tall, but even as a taller person, this is definitely comfortable. I love that it's got nice wide rests for my hands. There's a convenient little beverage holder here and a really nice little cell phone holder here. Colors are great. They've got tons of different colors to choose from. And as well, I will say that it is so sturdy built. It's made of alloy steel and a really nice thick ripstop nylon. You've got a smooth back here. This stuff wipes up really easy and cleans up like a dream. The other thing I love about this is I like to sit like this in chairs. It is a comfort thing for me. It's one of my favorite ways to sit around a fire. Just really, my body likes this position. And this chair opens up instead of being up and down, and I can sit comfortably in here no matter what. This is truly an awesome chair. This is a camping chair on a whole other level. So whether you use it on grass, concrete, gravel, patio, deck, it's going to adapt to any situation you use it in. It's comfortable. It packages up so conveniently, super quick, no bag required. It's got that convenient bundle strap and the built-in carry strap on the back here. Great colors to choose from. And I have to tell you, it is the chair that my family fights over. So I'm going to have to order another one. The GCI Outdoor Kickback Rocker, definitely a family favorite at my house.